Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different because one of my viewers asked a question which I think it's going to help some other people out there. Instead of me replying the question in the comment section, I had to make this video. So in case if you are in the same situation, probably this video is going to help you out. So her question was, how can she take care of her baby, go to language school, and also make YouTube videos? Because she's just starting her own YouTube channel and I think it's a little bit difficult for her to combine all of those three together. So that was why she asked this question. As for me, as you all know, I'm a mom of 3 kids. One is under 5 years old, the other one is under 3 years old, and the other one is under a year old. So as you can see, they are still little. But I go to my language school, I take care of the kids, I also make YouTube videos. So I think that was why she asked this question. It is not as easy as people might think it is. Because I upload videos frequently does not mean it's that easy for me. It is never easy to combine all of these things together. Plus you are still going to take care of the house chores. So all these things are not easy as it seems. You know, after making these videos, edit them and upload them, when people are watching it, it looks as if it is so easy and simple. It is not. I have to take care of the kids, I have to go to language school, I have to make my videos, and I have to do other things. It's not only taking care of children, going to language school and making videos. I have other things I do as well. So how I do it, just like today, I am filming 2 videos today, or 3 videos. I filmed one last night and I'm filming 2 today. So when I have the time, when I have the opportunity, I film as much as I can. Then I edit and upload them on my channel, put them on private. Then anytime I want to publish the video, I can just go ahead and publish the video. So that way I am sure I am not lacking behind, or I am not running out of schedule. I don't have an actual schedule that I am into right now, but I just make video anytime I have the opportunity to make videos. And mostly my videos, I make them at night when my kids are sleeping. Sometimes I edit my videos at night as well. This is how I've been doing it and it has been working for me. So what I want to tell you is, you have to figure out what works for you. What is working for me right now might not work for you, but if you think you can try it and see if it will work for you. I cannot give you a specific routine or schedule on how you can make YouTube videos, take care of your baby, and still go to language school. Whenever you feel like you have the chance, your baby gives you a little chance, you can use that chance to make 1 or 2 videos, edit and upload them. You just make videos when your baby is sleeping, or you can just feed your baby, make sure he or she is comfortable, take him or her to her room, and then go one corner and make your videos. I think that will help as well. So this is how I've been doing it. Before I make my videos, I have to make sure that my kids are well fed. I have to make sure that nothing will disturb them. I have to put them in order. If I had to put cartoon for them, I will do that, and then I will go to one room and make my videos. So that's how I've been doing it. It's not as easy as people think it is. At the same time, it's not as hard as you think it is. Once you figure out what works for you, you will see that it is not that hard and it is not that easy at the same time. So, and I hope this video helps you, and I think I've answered your questions. Or if you think you are not satisfied with the answers that I gave, maybe I don't know, maybe you can ask more questions, or maybe you can you know, look for who will help you more on this. I think this is all I have to give for now, but if I come up with any idea in the future, I might come and let you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, just click that subscribe button. You will see a red button written subscribe. Click on it. Click also on the bell. That bell is what will notify you anytime I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share it as well if you think it's going to help someone out there. So I'll see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.